Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you the Come Homer folding sofa bed with sleeping function. This is a 2-in-1 couch, a multifunctional sofa bed with a large lying area. If you get this in the layer area, you have 168 centimeter to 98 centimeter sleeping area for you and maybe other people, and 41 centimeter height. And if you go to the sofa option, you have the back area with 73 centimeter and the back area with 46 and 47 centimeter width to sit on it, and the total of 186 centimeter bright. Wow, this is a nice space-saving sofa bed for the living room, for the guest room, and the home theater in black. It's also available in a gray finish. As you need it, you can get it. We have 5-way adjustable backrest, the sofa lounger, in the sofa bed, and is in one piece. Thanks to the split and the individually adjustable backrest and 5 straps, this 3-seater sofa can be transformed from a comfortable seat to a legs-lying surface in no time. That's perfect for moving nights or a nap, a power nap, or where you need it. Without any conversion, that's possible here. And with high-quality cotton velvet. The skin-friendly and pad-friendly too, because the sofa bed is covered with a soft cotton velvet, which feels pleasant on the skin and particularly resistant. That's ideal for allergy sufferers, children in households with pets. The sofa itself is 186262273 centimeter. The sofa bed will be 189629841 centimeter as well. So you can choose it, you can get it. A durable and sturdy design here, because this sofa bed has a sturdy frame that provides exceptional stability and support, preventing wobbling and sagging. Both the seat cushions and the frame are made of FSC certified stuff, and of course it is made of an metal frame, which brings us a lot of strength into the system, and an easy installation and an easy maintenance. All required tools are included so that the assembly is quick and uncomplicated. Of course, you should have a look at my installation video, and this durable fabric is also easy to clean, practical for everyday use, of course. This multifunctional sofa bed is the ideal solution for apartments, shared rooms, or, of course, for your home office. The elegant look blends harmoniously into different interior styles. And you see it, you can have a nice brand, because this brand is really cool. I got often furnitures from this brand, and all the furnitures are cheap but good. The brand new and the improved multifunctional sofa bed is the same thread. That's perfect for small apartments and multi-purpose rooms. It's folded and it is in full size as you need it. With a gentle move, the sofa becomes a comfortable bed too. We sleep freely, stretch out and relax without limits, full of comfort. Skin-friendly, thick steel frame, easy to clean, increased load capacity, and a lot of adjustments are possible. Generous padded seats are included. All this brings us to Come Homer folding sofa bed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.